have a timing issue for SAT, what I highly recommend you do is bring an analog watch, one with a minute hand, and you set it at the 12 each time a section starts in your practice and on test day, so you're used to it, so you get your timing down, because you cannot bring a smartwatch, and if you bring a digital watch, if it beeps or buzzes, they could take your test and void your score. My name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 4, number 26, which looks like the gears in a watch. 26 reads, the gear ratio, R to S, is the ratio of the number of teeth of two connected gears. The ratio of the number of revolutions per minute of the two gear wheels is S to R. Notice R to S and then S to R. It looks like it's an inverse relationship, and we'll look more into that. In the diagram below, gear A is turned by a motor. Gear A causes gear B and C to turn as well. Actually, that's not really so important. But question, if gear A is rotated by the motor at a rate of 100 RPM, what is the number of revolutions per minute of gear C? So gear A is 100 RPMs, and we're looking for gear C. Now, let's just look at number of teeth. We've got 20 on the left, 20 on the left, 60 in the middle, 10 on the right. What that means is, and it's probably easiest to think of, the middle gear, if it spins one time, how many times is the gear on the left going to spin? The gear on the left is going to spin 3 times. The gear on the right is going to spin 6 times, which makes sense because those teeth are going to interlock. Now, we need to see, the question's asking gear A rotates 100 RPM. So if this goes to 100, notice the relationship between gear A and gear C. If gear A spins 3 times, gear C is going to spin twice that, 6 times. So we don't even have to worry about the gear in the middle. We just have to worry about this one right here. And again, it's going to spin twice as much. That's what's meant by the gear ratios R to S. That's the number of teeth. But the number of revolutions is S to R. So the bigger the gear, the less it spins. So your correct answer here is C, 200. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with this like random question. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.